Hi guys, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing Weltrade. Weltrade is a forex broker and has been existing for quite a while. And I've actually been trading with it for a few months now. And it's actually one of the best brokers that you can actually ever try out. So if I scroll to the footer, Weltrade, it is regulated, and it is regulated by laws of St. Lucia, because that is where it is registered. Okay, and you can find this when you scroll down on Weltrade website right there in the footer. So let's talk about the account types that Weltrade does offer. So for that, all you have to do is simply click on account types, then you're going to find. So Weltrade has got these account types, which are only three. So the first one is a micro. Okay, as for beginners, so Weltrade, yes, does have a cent account which you can get in either USD or EUR. There's also a pro, and there's one that I myself use, which is the Saint X. So you'll learn about this in the next few minutes. So all of them, the minimum deposit for micro is $1. So the micro, you can use it on either MT4 or MT5, and these are things you can trade, and it comes with 1 to 1000 leverage. As for the pro, the minimum you need is $100, but the one which I use, the Saint X, the only thing you need is $1, and you trade it on MetaTrader 5. Okay, so you can simply go through this list to see what features are there. I won't go through the entire list of it. Okay, so now let's talk about the spread. So this is the spreads. So there's got, although it's showing minimum spreads, which means it can either be high than this, but you're saying this is the minimum spread. Okay, so you can as well check it out. The link will also be in the description. But since what I traded for me is the synthetic indices, so the spread is always floating, but this is what you get, and these are the max leverage that we can actually get on this. So now let's talk about deposit and withdrawal. So this is going to be it's going to be based on where you are. So I myself from Zambia, so the payment methods that are available for me may be different with the ones you may have in your country, but otherwise you can see for yourself. Okay, so there are a lot of payment methods out there, and okay, so you can actually deposit using a Visa card, Skrill, Netera, and so on. These are just some of the payment methods, but as for me, I use Binance Pay. It's very much easy to use. Okay, then withdraw, you can still use these ones. So like if you log in, you'll be able to see more payment methods that are available in your country. Okay, so one thing I like, one thing I always look for when I want to start trading with your forex broker is support is very important. Okay, I don't need to send an email and expect a response after a week. Okay, so I need whereby I should be able to talk to support no matter what time it is, no matter what day it is, whether it's on a Sunday, Saturday, or a holiday. Luckily, for Weltrade, there is 24/7 support, and you can chat in real time. All you have to do is simply open up the live chat, then you'll be able to chat with support in real time, and they'll be able to help you instantly, which is good. Let's talk about the deposit bonus. Well, Weltrade does offer deposit and bonus. Okay, you can as well find them on your account dashboard. They're easy to use. So as I said earlier on, that you're going to learn more in the coming minutes. The reason why I trade synthetic indices is because I've been trading with the roof, and I trade boom and crash. So those same things are also there on Weltrade. You can find the synthetic indices. So these are indices that are not affected by news. They're simply computer generated indices. You can trade them even on the weekends, even on holidays. They never close. They're always available to be traded there. So they're the best that you can actually try. Okay, so to summarize, one thing that I like about Weltrade is their withdrawal guarantee period. So I think Weltrade is the only forex broker out there that guarantees you or promises you that you're going to receive they withdraw within the specified time and they actually even do it. So other brokers, they may tell you, no, you can process your withdrawal in 24 hours, but in most of the times 24 hours passes and you don't receive the money. But for World Trade actually promises you 30 minutes, and within 30 minutes you will receive the money. So sometimes you can only wait for 5 minutes, sometimes for 10, but as for me, it has never surpassed 30 minutes. It's always below 30 minutes. I do receive the withdrawal, and that's one thing I like about road trade. So making money is hard, but withdrawing should not be hard, and this is why I say road trade is the best when it comes to withdrawals. So you can sign up with road trade right now. The link is in the description. Also, feel free to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group for any stuff that might help you. But for now, this is Keith.